Ew, we have rust. So the proper thing to do on something like this is to cut out this quarter piece, weld a new one in, seam seal it, do whatever you got to do, and then repaint it. But winter's coming up and I don't want to do all that work right now, so I'm gonna just make it look better. It's not the fix. Let me tell you this right now, this is not a fix to get rid of this. Rust is cancer for cars and it spreads, unfortunately. So as you can see here, we got a lot of it here. This is very typical on Hondas. So let's just make it look nice. Call it putting lipstick on a pig. People get cut all the time from this stuff and rust, and you don't want that at all. I'm actually gonna like beat this in here a little bit. Looks like maybe something got snagged. And on the other side, let me see, on the other side here, you can see it's separated. And that's probably where the rust started, I bet. I'll take that little lip, try and beat that in. It's probably gonna break tons of this stuff here. Yep. Just like I got, but pinched together again. Like I said, this is not a fix. Let me show you how to get your paint code for the paint that you'll need. Your paint code is usually located on the sticker right here. And there it is. That's my paint code. So, when you go to the auto parts store and look on a can, you look for that same code right there. And there it is. Satin silver metallic. Boom. Perfect match, right? Remember, your car has faded over the years. This is an 18-year-old car. It's not going to be perfect. Time to make my painter friends cringe. We're just having fun, guys. Just having fun. Let's just do this here. Such a fun, cringy moment. Here we go. Blend that rust in. It's nothing to stick to. And remember, don't paint your tires. Oh my gosh, you guys in the comments are probably gonna eat me alive. This is funny though. Another cool trick you can do is spray some of the paint on a Q-tip. Now this is a bigger Q-tip, but spray some of the paint on a Q-tip and try and get as much as you can off. There's a big drop here, so this is gonna be a horrible example, but basically you can kind of just drop it right into there. You can see, and then once it's kind of a little bit dry, you can use the other side, wipe around the excess and kind of color in the scratches. So yeah, and just dab it, don't draw it on there, just dab it on there and it'll fill in. I gotta spray more on there, but I'll show you the end result here in a minute. It isn't the best, but it fills up the hole, so that's what she said. Hey, shiny rust, baby. It'll do. At a certain angle, you can't even tell, so I don't care. It looks fine to me.